Good evening, everyone. After we did have a wintry mix move through the viewing area early this morning, we're starting to see that activity all push off to the east, and Skytrack shows that any of those rain chances are now pushing out of Indiana, so they're across parts of Ohio this evening. That's leaving us with mostly cloudy skies across the area, but those are also on the decrease, so we're going to see those clouds decrease through the overnight hours, giving us some sunshine for the daytime tomorrow. But that cold front did slide through this afternoon, and that's changed the wind direction out of the west. And we currently have wind speeds from about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Paris is our highest with winds from the west at 18 miles an hour, 13 here in Charleston, 17 down in Effingham. And that's allowing that colder air to come in as well. We were in the 40s earlier today, and we still have a few locations holding on to the 40s. 41 in Effingham and in Robinson, 43 in Terre Haute. Charleston and Paris have cooled down to 39, and we're at 38 right now in Decatur. But luckily, this cooling trend is not long-lived. We're going to be warming back up as we get into tomorrow, just shy of the seasonal at 43 for our high, and then we're up to 47 on Friday. And those temperatures continue to climb into the start of the weekend. We're going to see highs near 60 degrees. Of course, that does come with that chance for thunderstorms, and as that cold front slides through, that's really going to drop those highs. Going into Sunday, we'll only see highs at 41 degrees, so about a 20-degree drop from Saturday into Sunday, and those temperatures continue to fall into Monday. Tonight's going to be cold as well. Those decreasing clouds will allow that warm air at the surface to continue to go through the atmosphere, so down to 27 for your overnight low. Winds out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour will make it feel closer to 20 degrees, but we are expecting sunshine to start your Thursday, and that's going to continue throughout much of the day. As we get into the afternoon hours, we'll start to notice a few more clouds increase, especially across our southern counties. And that's going to continue into Friday. But for your Thursday, we're going to see those highs top out in your seasonal levels. We're at 32 at 9 a.m., up to 38 by noon, and we top out at our daytime high of 43 degrees. And then those clouds continue to increase going into the end of the week. We'll see more sunshine in the morning on Friday, but those clouds really increase going into the afternoon ahead of our next chances for precipitation that really ramp up into the day on Saturday. We'll see rain showers and even the potential for scattered thunderstorms during the afternoon hours on Saturday. So picking Futurecast back up Friday evening. We will be staying dry for the daytime on Friday, but as we get into late Friday evening, that's when those rain chances start to pick back up going into Saturday morning. And the key to those thunderstorms depends on how much sunshine we manage to see on Saturday. So the more rain, the lower the chance for those thunderstorms. But if we do see any, that will be in the afternoon hours. And then this activity quickly starts to move out going into late Saturday night. On the backside of that system, we could see a little bit of wraparound snow across our northern counties. Anything would be very light, but right now the best chances for that look to stay further off to the north of our viewing area, giving us clearing skies as we get into the latter half of the weekend. But it will be very breezy. That cold front's going to usher in some very blustery north and northwest winds. And already starting Saturday evening, we're seeing those wind gusts at 20 miles an hour. Those are going to steadily increase. We could see those wind gusts near 50 miles an hour as we get into early Sunday morning, and it's going to stay windy for the rest of Sunday, and that's what's going to drop those temperatures down to 41 for your high on Sunday, 37 on Monday, but then temperatures climb back up into Tuesday. We'll see highs back near 50 degrees. Don't get too used to that either, because then another cold front comes through, dropping our highs down to 28 on Wednesday with the potential for some light snow.
You never know. Punxsutawney Phil may be right with spring coming a bit sooner.
That's right, but then that snow returns for Wednesday, so winter's still holding on.
Of course.
Thanks, Everett.